Hello guys, how are you? I feel everybody good. Today I am new video here, PL/SQL loop statement here. So let's go how to loop statement are using from here, why we use loop. So we are discussing some important point and with example and syntax, how to use it, loop statement. So loop statement is what? Loop statement is allowed to execute a statement or group of statement of multiple times. That is called the loop statement. So loop statement, how to use here, this is the condition apply from here. If condition is true, so that code is generated here. If condition is false, so terminate your program. This is the flow chart like this. After that, following loops are here. So many type of the loop statement we are discussing here. First is a loop. First is loop is say that basically PL SQL is a basic loop. So what is basic loop? The keyword is using a loop. So loop structure, how to use sequence of statement and clause the between loops and loop. You know that previous any programming we are start from the loop, curly brackets open and curly bracket close. But now PL SQL is any loop is start from there. The keyword is use loop and terminate the loop by loop and loop statement. So each iteration and sequence of statement is execute, control the resume top to loop. So this is the first one. So first loop is loop. Second is the while loop. Second loop we are studying here. While loop. So what while loop is here? Repeat a statement while given a condition is true. When your condition is true, that your condition is tested, and before executing the loop of the body, that will be get the result. If condition is false, not get the result is here. So this is the while loop. Syntax I later here. So first time definition is explaining to here. Now for loop. New is a third one, loop is a for loop. First is a basic loop, second is a while loop, third one is a for loop. Third one loop, execute a statement, sequence statement, execute a sequence of statement multiple times, code that manage a loop variable. So it is loop is using from here one line statement you are put it here, condition is here, variable is here, and after that loop start and execute the statement. This is the loop statement. Now fourth one is using for nested loop. Nested loop means multiple loops we can use here. So you can use one or more loop inside any other basic loop, while or for loop. So multiple loops you are using from the program. This is called for the nested loop. So here is the syntax for here, and with example I'll discuss here. First is a simple loop. Syntax is what? Simple is the you can use a keyword is loop, and this is the keyword is LOOP, loop. It is case sensitive, not it is capital small, you can write it there, no problem here. Only statements are using from there and terminated by the semicolon. So just like you have to start the loop keyword and statement put here, exit, and when condition is here, and like this is using from the and loop, it start loop, here is close loop, and here put the condition, which condition you are apply from here. So suppose to be first example for the basic loop. First example is here, suppose program display the 5 number using a simple loop statement. Simple loop statement, first you know that previous programming we have done there. So declaration part, it's a optional. I equals to number, I start here, I is a variable, it is a data type, and its assignment one value. Okay, terminate. After that execute statement from where begin start loop start. This is the loop, this is new part loop, and dbms output put line same, and here is constant value print here, constant I is show there equals to, and I value what the number of I has. So it is step by step it will be present here, put there, automatically execute. So you need a 5 numbers generated. So 5 number I equals to I plus 1. It is the meaning one increment showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if you need a 2 number, so here is use I plus 2. So I has a 1 value, 1 plus 2, 3, 3, 5, 7, like this value will be display here. So this is the first execute statement, then exit when, and here apply the condition. I is greater than 5, 10, 20. What you need the condition number apply from here, semicolon terminated, and loop close here. Here and loop start, or here loop close, and this statement. So how to run this program? So let's go for this program. Go to the here PL/SQL program compiler I will use and put the code here. And if you have used those you are specify the comment single line, and here is a problem for constant value is here, so you have to use this one symbol use here. So declare variable and go to the run. So see here 1 2 3. So if you are not constant value are put it, so you have get the value only, like supposed to be I'll cut this point and I have to get run it. So this type of value we are using from here. So see like this 1 2 3. If you only get the number is required, so that need from here. So if you are constant value plus variable is required, so that time you can use like this statement. Here see like this statement. This is the constant value and pipe symbol, these pipe symbol, then constant value, constant variable plus value you have to get there. So this is the first. So it's begin statement, loop start and loop exit. This is important, or here part is execute the condition. So here you can use condition is change, supposed to be 15, I'll put 15. So you get the number by 1 to 15. It is the loop statement. I think everybody understand it. Now let's go for another second loop is while loop. While loop is, what is the syntax for while? While keyword you can use. Here is a condition apply and loop start, statement 1, statement 2 and loop here. So what to do here? In this program we are doing display 5 number same but using a while loop statement. So how to do using here? Declare variable same as it is previous, but only difference is here, begin here, okay, similar. Here condition apply starting. Here is condition apply starting, or previous loop condition apply is last. Exit loop, this is called exit when. So first statement will be execute. This is false condition, then will be execute here. But this condition, false condition is generate, no execute the result. So while I is less than equals to 5, then loop and I print value, I increment here. So this condition false, you don't get the any result. So let's go for what the result is here. So we are going to be in this program here, comment here, and actually this statement has a problem for single quotes, so we have to remove a single quote type, otherwise syntax error is coming from there. So see here, so this is the condition, supposed to be here condition is false. Here I will put, supposed to I will put 0. So what happened? So this is no output. Understand, if condition is false, so you didn't get the result. Condition is true, that is called a entry control loop. This type of loop is called entry control loop, because false condition you did not get any result. True condition always get the result, is called from the while loop. So I think it's also understand to everyone. Now next is a for loop. What is the syntax of for loop? For loop is using from here, the keyword is used for and counter. Counter means you have to increase 1 counter, 2 counter, 3, 4, 5. What is the skip number? You have to use here counter variable here and in reverse. So in here is using a reverse for counter in reverse. Counter means variable, a variable, b variable, yeah, it's a counter variable. For condition variable in keyword, if you need a reverse, so reverse use. If you no need reverse, by default it is a ascending order. Or if you want to reverse order, reverse means 10 to 1, or ascending order means 1 to 10. So first value, it is a syntax, lower bound it means 1, 2 dots are using here, and upper bound is 20 value, and loop start statement 1, statement 2, then and loop. So how to use it, this program? This is the program, 5 number same generate here. So begin I here for I is a counter variable, and in this statement, or by default we are using 1. 1 is a lower bound and 2 dots are put it here, and 5 is a last value condition upper bound. So 1 is lower bound and 5 is a upper bound. Loop close, and statement 1 execute the I value, then AND loop, then AND program. So let's go what the output from here. So let's see, it is a this one program. Again see here comment, and here also change, otherwise error is coming. I have to change here. So let's go for run it. See, so you get the result from 1 to 5 number. 1 to 5 number, one same program but multiple type of the execute here. So now next one is reverse order. So what is the reverse order? Reverse order program we are using from the reverse order program. Reverse, how to use this reverse? So let's go from reverse number and see here. So how can declare a variable here, start begin from a in reverse number lower bound. Here is use condition is not, it's a lower bound 10 or up to 20. Loop is here, you have to use a keyword is reverse, so I think your number will be reversing number. So 20 to 10 number result, otherwise if reverse not put, so 10 to 20 number is displayed. So let's go how to get the result here. See here comment, single comment, and here C declare. Let's go result. So see here 20 to 10 number. So this keyword is not used here, so you have different result. So this keyword is used, so you have to get the result is here. See here, if reverse is removed, so 10 to 20. If you have to put here reverse, see here again you get the result 20 to 10. This is the difference between reverse and ascending and descending. Ascending call by default, and descending call you can convert is a keyword user reverse. So